How to use auto layout in Figma. As you can see, I have 3 different objects here which are not aligned in any way. So if I want to use auto layout, I just have to select them all. And now I can press Shift and A on my keyboard, or I can go to the right hand side and click on auto layout on this plus sign here, and it will turn it into a button automatically. And what that allows me to do is, if I go and type in here, whatever I type, the button will change with the text inside of here. Something else we can do is we can adjust the padding on the sides. This is for the padding on the side, and this is for the vertical padding on the top and the bottom. We can also give a specific padding to each side, for this is left and right and top and bottom. And something you will see once I turn this a little bit bigger like that is we can also align them around here, which will become more obvious if I just drag this out like this. As you can see, now it's aligned to the center left, but I can change this by just going like this. I can also change the horizontal gap between items, in this case this heart and the button text, like this. So that's how you use auto layout in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.